All right, guys, what's up? Your boy Fly Stewie in the building. I'm gonna get right into it. Yo, I've been having the worst trading month of all time, but I'm sure that's a lot of people. Obviously, this market's been crazy volatile, crazy drops. We've literally had like the craziest swings in the S&P 500 that we've ever seen. But like a trader, you brush it off, you keep it up. You know, first you don't succeed, you try again, whatever they say, and you get back in these markets. So today we're gonna trade the NFP. This is one of those beautiful trades. I'll read it for you here. Let me see if I can find it. Let's see if I can find it for you guys and put it on the screen. But yeah, man, this literal trading month has been brutal, like 20 to 30% down, as you can see from me tracking everything. Here, let me show you my screen. Oh, that's not the right thing to do. All right, I think you guys can see it now. Yeah, here we go. So today we're trading the unemployment rate. As we see right here, employment rate is the percentage of total workforce that is unemployed and actively seeking employment during the previous month. Of course, if you've been following the economy, you know that we've had an immense amount of unemployment claims this week. Yesterday, unemployment claims hit 6 million, and last time was 3 million. Now, notice that this is unusual. Like, look at what it is normally. But of course, everyone's being quarantined, so because of that, we have gone from like what used to be normal, 200,000, to 3 million. Like, this is unprecedented stuff. And now it's 6 million. 6 million is more unemployment claims than there has been like the whole year. So we got 10 million total. But notice how NFP accounts for people who, you know, are seeking an employment. You know, all these people making unemployment claims aren't necessarily seeking employment. So that should shift the unemployment rate, but not to the same degree as we would expect. So I'm gonna trade looking like 10%. I don't know if I want to trade gold right now. Gold is giving me this crazy spread because, of course, the market's so volatile. My broker wants to, you know, make sure that stuff doesn't go too crazy. So they have a crazy kind of spread they're giving everyone. And let's see if we can kind of see what's going to happen here. All right, let's go to the hour one. Hour one comes down here. Let's go to the 30-minute. 30-minute comes down here. So, I mean, gold kind of looks like it's still going to go down, to be honest. Gold looks like it's going to springboard down. Let's see what UJ looks like it wants to do. Now, if you ask me, UJ looks the most confused. Let's see here. UJ's like down here. We look at UJ. UJ is like down here. So I mean, like, UJ looks down for sure. If UJ looks down for sure, then I would not be surprised if gold is up. This is a bit harder to read than normal. So I mean, UCAD came down here, try to go up. A little bit high. Came up here. Let's It's gonna be a harder trade than normal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a guess trade, you know, trade around maybe 10%. I don't know which pair I want to trade right now. I think this is the clearest read. We're got down here, so if that's down, this is up. So honestly, might just trade UJ. UJ looks like it has the clearest read. We're about 290. We got 5 minutes though. We got 5 minutes to check the charts out, see what's looking like. See, I feel like UCAD you can't really get anything from. And then UJ's PIP is 5. Look at how golden that is. Look at that spread. 3, 4, 5. Okay, we gotta check UJ. That is like the golden. All right, so we are going to go 10%. 10% 180 is 0.32. Let's see these swings. How much does it swing in 15 minutes? Yeah, so in 15 minutes, it doesn't even travel 180, so we should have some good ranges. I like here for sure at 300. $550 on the downside. So UJ has 550 to the downside. At 0.32. We got 3 minutes till the trade right now. But yeah, guys, so the question of the day is the Great Depression coming soon? Right now, of course, we are heading into a recession. And I will say this, right? 2008 was absolutely insane. Like, the whole world was collapsing. The literal global banking system, if that fails, it's not like the airlines. Airlines, if they fail, it's going to be catastrophic for us all, obviously. But we can somewhat make do. If banking fails, literally every business fails. You know, like there is no business loans, there is no mortgages. Like the whole economy at that point literally breaks. We're back at the Stone Age, you know? So is this recession that? I mean, realistically with this recession, once the economy's back up and running, we could see, you know, maybe not all-time highs within the next 6 months after that, but pretty close, to be honest. Like as soon as the economy's back and running back to normal. Now the question is, with this thing going around, of course you can't say the name, you know, how long is it gonna last? You know, literally Wuhan has been in quarantine since like December, January, you know? Feel like getting an early one in here wouldn't be a bad idea. UJ barely moves. So if you ask me, around June, July is when this thing is gonna really start dying down. If it goes beyond that, then that's when we're heading to Great Depression territories. But June, July seems like the realistic timeline, you know. It's hot most places in the world. That means that they can stop confusing it with the flu. It's easier to actually diagnose what's going on. I wanna see the madness that's going on here. Look at this madness. So this thing's looking like it's trying to swing up there. Look at this. This thing is trying to swing up so badly. So because this is NFP, you know, this thing likes to, oh, this is at a pivotal point. All right, let's see what happens. All right, cool. So UJ, very easy read. UJ and gold go opposite. So UJ had the best read this one, to be honest. If you try to read from gold, like, you would have been so confused. You would have had no idea what to do. Like, is this the support here? Very hard to read from gold. UJ gave the clearest read, thankfully. And we got buys. Unfortunately, this, you know, I've been getting just demolished in my account lately. So even though we won here, got a nice like 10% type of move, I've been getting killed. Boom, look at all these mods. Look at this loss here in the S&P. Boom, look at that. But the great thing about, you know, Forex is you trade, keep trading, keep your head up. Hopefully get some good moves. It's funny, this definitely was not the trade to take. UCAD. UCAD is confused during this time. And we got that for, how much pips did it go down? 235. So maybe I'm gonna start trading UJ some more, who knows. Very small spread, good for these high volatile times. I really wanted to trade this one, but you know, glad I didn't. And that's the trade for the day. So what do we have here? Do we have any minute 2 trades here? You can see here it's swaying down in the minute 2. It looks like it's going back up. It's gonna be interesting to see the direction this thing ends up going, because as you can see here, it's at this pivotal time where the 200 EMA, this pink line right here, it doesn't really know the direction it wants to go. Even on the daily, right now the UJ is in consolidation on the daily. That's crazy. There's no direction for UJ at all. Complete consolidation, is not trending to any direction. So right now, if you're a trader, it's all about trading your ranges. Now, how is this going to impact the market open at 9:30? That is a great question. If we go and we look at what has actually happened in the market today, we go here. Let's refresh. So we forecasted that the unemployment rate would go to 3.8%. Now it's at 4.4%. So as you know, as we were saying before, we're not going to see anything extremely drastic. Look at the average hourly earnings actually went up, which is funny. So this one, the non-farm employment changing the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. So 800,000 people are now unemployed, or there's a 700,000 negative change of employment. That's pretty drastic, right? But when it comes to actual employment rate, not that much. Now we'll see what's gonna happen next month as people, you know, are actually laid off instead of just getting temporarily, you know, closing down shops. We'll see if this has a big impact. But that's the video. Hope you liked it. Hope you liked me, you know, finally winning a trade. And it's bounce back week, you know. We take it one trade at a time, and we'll see what happens here. Now, long-term predictions for UCAD. Oh my God, look at this. Now, of course, if you're always trading UCAD right now, you want to get buys, but where is the buy point is the question. I would like buys here. Here would be a good buy point. However, it's the weekend, so I don't like trading on Fridays. Fridays are usually like take profit days because no one wants to hold their trades over the weekend that much, but I do kind of like buys around here. But even buying now wouldn't be bad, but like there's just too much downward pressure. I wouldn't take the trade personally. But anyways, it's the video. It's your boy Fly Stewie, and we out. Easy. I love you. Bye.